Hi guys, I'm Julie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade pizza quick. Please thumbs up. Meat
20 minutes
or sausages
until
on
it be
your
ready.
dough.
And
You don't have to bake
important
that.
thing
Just
in
put
pizza
it on
is
low
cheese.
heat. Don't
on
forget
burner.
about that.
So
Next,
that is
cover
it.
your pan
Thank
with
you
a
guys
lid and
for
put it
watching
on
and see you
low
later.
heat
Goodbye.
on burner